Solve the following logarithmic equation. 2 log x to base 10 plus 3 plus log 3 to base 10 is equals to log 75 to base 10, isn't it? So for you to solve any logarithmic equation, the first thing you do is to ensure that they are of the same base, isn't it? The same base with any addition or subtraction sign, no sign at all between logarithms, isn't it? So from here, we have base 10, base 10, base 10, meaning we can use the laws of logarithm, isn't it? Because we have the same base. So first step, you get rid of the coefficients, isn't it? So 2 becomes the power, so it means 2 is the power of everything, power of everything, power of everything. Coefficient here is 2, coefficient here is 1, coefficient here is 1, isn't it? So start. This is now going to be log x squared to base 2 becomes the power, isn't it? Then plus log 3 to base 10 raised to power 1 is just like that, the way it is, isn't it? You get rid of coefficient where there is coefficient. Then the next thing, you join, you make the left hand side of the equation to be one thing, the right hand side of the equation to be one thing. The right hand side is already one thing, isn't it? So you join this together, isn't it? Meaning you remove log to base 10 outside. Addition will change to multiplication, isn't it? So x squared times 3, you are going to get 3x squared is equals to log to base 10 of 75. Then the next step is you ignore the logs, isn't it? After joining them, this is one thing you ignore the log on both sides of the equation, meaning you ignore log to base 10 on both sides of the equation like that, isn't it? After ignoring the log, so you now solve for the unknown. How do we solve for x? We get rid of the coefficient, isn't it? Meaning we divide both sides of the equation by 3. So if you divide both sides of the equation by 3, you have x squared is equals to 25. So what is x? Plus or minus 5. So if x is plus or minus 5 and these logs do not have absolute value, then it means x is just 5. So if the logs were absolute values, then plus or minus 5. But these ones are not absolute values, so you have to take the positive value of x. Are we together? Yes. Positive value of x. So the x is 5. Okay? So in this case, you can say like this, x is equals to 5 or negative 5. Then you say that is out of the range. Okay? So x is equals to 5 in the end. Good. So that is how we solve